Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Key, where learning English is simple, fun, and full of confidence. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It is amazing to be here with you today.
It really is. I feel so happy to sit down and chat. How are you doing today, David?
I am doing fantastic, thank you. The sun is out, I have my cup of tea, and I am fully ready for a great conversation. How about you?
I am feeling great. I'm very energized today. I think it's because of our topic.
Oh, I love when you're energized. So tell me, what is our topic today?
Today, we are talking about a very big challenge for many English learners.
A big challenge. Oh no, is it grammar?
No, not grammar. It's something inside our minds.
Inside our minds.
Yes, it's the idea that we must be perfect.
Ah, perfection.
Yes, that big, scary perfection monster.
It really is a monster. So, what's our topic exactly?
Our topic is, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to start.
I love that. You just need to start. It sounds simple, but it is actually very difficult to do.
Exactly. But before we help our listeners start their English journey, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you enjoy our conversations and want to learn more English with us, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, click that subscribe button and don't forget to give this episode a big like and share it with your friends or family or anyone who wants to improve their English. It truly helps us a lot.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Anna, let's talk about starting.
Let's do it. David, why do you think people wait to start speaking English?
I think they're scared. They think, if I speak, I will make a mistake.
Yes, the fear of mistakes. We all know that feeling.
We do. But waiting for perfect English means waiting forever.
Exactly. If you waited to be perfect at cooking, you would never eat dinner.
That is absolutely true. And I cook much better now because I practiced.
So we need practice. But how? Studying for 5 minutes is not enough, right?
Not really. 5 minutes is better than 0, but we need more effective methods. Real practice.
Okay, today I am the student. Teach me, what is the first tip?
The first tip is about listening and watching.
Okay, I like watching things.
You need to watch short videos in English.
Short videos, like social media videos or YouTube shorts?
Yes, but here's the rule. You must use English subtitles.
English subtitles, not subtitles in my own language?
Correct. This is very important. You need to see English words at the same time you hear the English sounds.
Ah, I understand. My brain connects the sound with the text.
Exactly. That helps your brain recognize words faster.
That makes sense. And short videos are good because they are short.
Yes, you can watch one, then watch it again, and maybe a third time.
Repetition. I love repetition, and it's not boring if the video is funny.
Exactly. Choose content you enjoy. Cooking, sports, comedy, animals, anything.
Okay, so watch short videos with English subtitles. I could do that. What is next?
The next method is something you can do alone. No teacher needed.
Ooh, I love self-study methods.
It is called self-talk.
Self-talk. Talking to myself?
Yes.
Anna, people will think I'm strange if I walk around talking to myself.
You don't have to shout, you can whisper, or just do it at home.
Okay, so what should I say?
You describe your actions, you narrate what you are doing. For example, if you're making breakfast, you say, I am taking the eggs. I am opening the fridge. The pan is hot.
Ah, simple sentences about real actions.
Yes. Try doing this for 30 seconds.
30 seconds? That sounds easy, but I think it's harder than it sounds. I need to find words quickly.
Yes. It forces your brain to think in English, not translate.
That's great. Okay, I am drinking my tea. It is hot. I'm putting the cup down.
Perfect. You're already doing it.
This is actually fun. It makes boring moments interesting.
It really does. And if you don't know a word, that's okay. Look it up later.
That's a good way to find vocabulary I'm missing.
Exactly. And speaking of vocabulary, that brings us to the next tip.
Ooh, wonderful transition. What is the next tip?
Don't learn random words, learn expressions you actually use.
What do you mean by random?
Many students learn words they never use, like the names of tools or fish.
I did that. I learned the word screwdriver. I never use it.
Exactly. Unless you're a mechanic, you don't need that word daily.
So, what should I focus on?
Pay attention to phrases you use in your own language.
Ah, the things I say every day.
Yes, if you often say, "I'm tired, I need a break," then learn that in English.
That's smart. I would definitely use it.
Save these expressions in your phone or notebook.
Real-life vocabulary, not textbook vocabulary.
Exactly. It makes your English useful immediately.
I like that word, immediately. We want progress now.
We do. And to get progress, we need structure.
Structure. That sounds like grammar again.
A little bit, but in a fun way. I want you to rewrite simple phrases.
Rewrite them. How?
Use sentence frames like, I usually.
I usually.
Yes, now finish it.
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Great. Now make more.
I usually drink coffee. I usually take the bus. I usually wear jeans.
See? You made 4 sentences quickly.
That's powerful. I'm practicing grammar without studying grammar.
Exactly. You get comfortable with the pattern.
Can I use other frames?
Of course. Try, I like to, or I'm going to.
Okay, I'm going to the shop. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to learn English.
Yes, it builds confidence. You see that you can say many things using one simple structure.
This is wonderful for beginners. It makes speaking feel easier.
It does. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just need to communicate.
I agree. Oh, I'm watching videos, talking to myself, learning useful vocabulary, and using sentence frames. Is there more? Yes. One more tip, and it's physical.
Physical, like exercise?
Kind of. It's exercise for your mouth.
My mouth muscles?
Yes, I want you to read out loud.
Read out loud? For how long?
5 to 10 minutes. But here's the challenge. Do not stop.
Not stop?
Not even if you make a mistake.
What if I don't understand a word?
Still keep going.
Wow, that's intense. Why?
Because when we stop, we judge ourselves. We worry. We get nervous.
Ah, the perfection monster returns.
Exactly. But if you read non-stop, you'll learn to flow. You get used to English rhythm.
Ah, it's about flow, not perfection.
Yes, you're training your tongue and lips to move in English.
So it's like a workout for my face.
Yes, and after 10 minutes, your mouth may feel tired.
That means I worked hard.
Exactly. It means you are physically changing how you speak English.
What can I read?
Anything. A news article, a children's book, a blog, even the transcript of this episode.
Oh, that's a great idea. I can read our conversation out loud.
Yes, you can be me and I'll be you.
Wait, I want to be Anna.
Fine, you can be Anna. Just read out loud and listen to your own voice.
Hearing my English voice, that feels strange sometimes.
It does at first, but you need to get comfortable with it. It's your English voice.
My English voice. I like that.
David, do you notice something about all these tips?
Let me see. Watching videos, self-talk, rewriting sentences. None of these require a classroom.
Exactly. You can do all of them at home, even in your pajamas.
That is the best news I've heard all day.
The key is action. Passive learning is good, but active learning is better.
Yes, I can listen to English all day, but if I never speak, I won't improve.
Right. You need to produce language, even if it's messy, even if it's wrong.
Even if it's wrong. I need to remember that. Mistakes mean I'm trying.
Yes, mistakes are stepping stones, not walls.
Wow, Anna, you're very wise today.
I just want everyone to feel free. English is a tool for connection, not a test.
Not a test. That takes so much pressure off.
Yes, so let's review the tips. What was number 1?
Number 1, watch short videos with English subtitles.
Good. Number 2?
Self-talk. Narrate your actions for 30 seconds. I am holding the microphone.
Excellent. Number 3?
Learn expressions I actually use, no random screwdriver vocabulary.
Correct. Number 4?
Rewrite simple sentences using patterns like I usually or I like to.
Yes. And the last one?
Read out loud for 5 to 10 minutes without stopping. Exercise for my mouth.
You remembered everything, David.
I'm just a good student today.
These steps are practical. You can start right away.
Yes, you don't need to wait for Monday. You don't need to wait for a new year.
Just start. Choose one tip, just one, and do it.
Maybe start with self-talk while washing dishes.
Perfect. And tomorrow, maybe watch a short video. Little by little, you grow.
And that is the mission of English Learning Key, helping you grow.
David, I feel so motivated now.
I think I'll practice self-talk on my way home. I am walking to the car. I am opening the door.
That's great, David, and I hope our listeners feel motivated too.
I'm sure they do. We have the best listeners ever.
We really do, but unfortunately, we are reaching the end of our episode.
Oh, time flies when we're learning and laughing.
It really does. But before we finish, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you in the comments.
Tell us, which tip will you try first?
Will you try self-talk or maybe reading out loud?
Let us know in the comments. Writing it down is a commitment, a promise to yourself.
Yes, make a promise to your English journey today.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Key.
And click the bell icon so you never miss a video. We have many more helpful lessons coming soon.
And give us a like. It makes me smile.
And it makes me smile too. A big smile.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone. You are doing so well. Keep going.
Yes, believe in yourself. You can do this.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone. Happy learning.
Bye.